day everyone, I'm Karen P. Lyson from BSHM 2D. Please enjoy yourself as you watch the whole video. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you for calling Clasio Restaurant. Karen speaking. How may I help you? Sure, ma'am. A table for how many? Okay, ma'am. May I know who on the line, please? Okay, ma'am. May I ask if this is correct? May Ayane. Okay, ma'am. May I know when and what time? Okay, hold on, ma'am. I will check if we still have an available table on that time. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table for your preferred date and time. Okay, ma'am. Let me know what is your preferred area. Okay, ma'am. Do you still have any requests or concern you want us to consider? May I please get your contact details, ma'am? Your contact number is 0955-1837-324. May I correct, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Let me repeat your details. For Miss Soriano, a table reservation for 2 persons tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the evening and preferred a non-smoking area. Am I correct, ma'am? Anything else, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you so calling. We will expect you tomorrow in the evening. Have a nice day. Hello, I would like to make a table reservation. A table for two only. My name is Mayan Soriano. Yes, that's correct. Tomorrow at 7 in the evening. Okay, perfect. Great question. I prefer a non-smoking area because I can handle their smell. No more. My number is 0955-1837-324. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Nothing, that's all. Thank you and goodbye.